Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarrTravel.com and I'm currently on board the brand new beautiful Norwegian Encore. So this is a great room category if you are a couple because they only hold 2 passengers. It's a forward-facing ocean view with large picture window, and at just under 200 square feet, it's a really nice option, like I said, especially for a couple traveling together or just 2 friends that are looking for a really great view out the front. So as you come in here, entryway is just here to my left. As we head into the bathroom, what you'll see, the bathroom is exactly the same as all of the bathrooms on board the Norwegian Encore. Basically, you've got this nice large acrylic shower. Okay, I'm a pretty big guy, I'm 6'6". I've got a little bit of clearance here. You've got the nice shower wand. They also have the shampoo and the body wash inside there. Pretty much all the cruise lines are going to that anyways. Norwegian might be a little bit ahead of the curve on that. So you got the same here with the hand soap. Underneath, there's a little bit of storage. There's not a lot of storage where you can put stuff away completely. I don't love that, and this is kind of a narrow storage bit up here as well. But the bathroom's really, really large for, especially for kind of an entry-level room category. So let's head on out into the main part of the room. Okay, so the first thing I'll point out is you've got your phone here. You've got 3 US plugs, so there's a ton of plugs here. This is kind of a vanity area as well as going to be a desk for you. You've got your mini fridge under here. We're on an inaugural, so it's locked up right now. It's a showroom, and under here you're going to have your hair dryer, which is in every single stateroom on board. A little bit more storage in here and a little bit of storage by the side of the bed. Over here you do have a USB outlet on either side of the bed. I really like that. You've got a reading light, a lamp, and then overhead lighting as well. So right now it's in the large queen configuration, but it can be split apart for 2. Before we head over there, I am going to point out the closet here. Here we go. All right, so you've got storage on the side, you got the shelves, you've got your safe in here. Not quite big enough for a laptop, but perfect for valuables, wallet, passports, things like that. Okay, and then over here you're gonna have your hanging storage. So closet's a standard size. Okay, and then we're gonna head on over, a little bit of storage above. Okay, a little bit of storage below as well here. And then tiny bit of storage right here. You got your flat screen TV with remote. It's all interactive, so you can check your bill, you can check menus, things along those lines as well. Okay, and as we head on over to the other side, you've got the exact same setup over here where you've got your lights by the bed, you've got the USB charger, you've got the night light, the lamp, overhead lighting, and then there's a lot more storage under here. So this is one of the advantages of this room, is you've got a ton of storage. So right here you've got the window, opens up, fantastic view straight out the front of the ship. In fact, there's a helicopter out there right now because they are filming on the inaugural currently. But once again, you get really, really spectacular views. You get a ton of storage, and also you get a really comfortable size room at 200 square feet. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope that you loved it. If you enjoyed this tour, there's a ton more on there on the Harr Travel YouTube channel. Make sure that you like the video and then subscribe, hit the bell for notifications so that you can check out all of the other ones coming up. We have a ton coming out from Norwegian Encore in the next couple weeks, so stay tuned.